Hello, in this video I will show you how to set, turn on or turn off the alarm on a mini digital LED clock. Press the red button one time to enter the alarm mode and then use the green button to turn on, turn off or repeat alarm. Press the blue button one time and then use the green button to set the hour for your alarm. Press the blue button one time and then use the green button to set the minutes. Press the blue button one time and then use the green button to set off how many minutes you want the alarm to be repeated. You can choose between 1 and 60 minutes. Press the blue button one time and now you can choose the alarm ringtone by pressing the green button. You have 10 different ringtones on this clock. Press the blue button one time and then the red button to exit the alarm settings. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to my channel.